Hello everyone. Let's start with most asked questions. How much does it cost? Our Apptechies Accelerator Program is just $5,999 to enroll. That's it, one time. And yes, we offer easy monthly financing starting at just $500 per month with zero down payments. And here is our promise. If we don't deliver what we say, you get 100% of your money back. No catch, no risk. Now let's talk about what you actually get. You have got a great app idea but no clue where to start. Don't worry. The Apptechies Accelerator Program is your all-in-one startup launch service. You don't need to know how to code, you don't need to know how to hire a developer, where to hire a developer. Don't worry about it. We handle everything. What I mean, everything means everything. From designing to developing your app to creating a pitch deck that attract the real investors. We even help you with the branding, marketing, and building a smart revenue model so your app is not just a functional, it's built to succeed. We take your idea and turn it into a working proof of concept within 60 days. That means a real interactive prototype that we can demo to the app investors with a high quality pitch deck. And no, we don't stop here. We give you a unlimited screens, designs and wireframes, meaning you get to fully visualize and refine your app's look and feel without limitations. You also get a professional one-page website that showcases your app, and we will handle your app's social media setups too. So your brand is strong and ready for launch. You will also get a full branding package including logo, icons, theme patterns, everything your startup needs to look polished and professional. Plus, we help you define the app audience and create a marketing strategies that attract the real users. So, most important, we build you a revenue model because this is not just about building an app. This is about building a business that's built to grow. Now I want to be clear. This program is zero risk. If we don't deliver anything we promised, you will get a full refund. And even if you cancel, you keep everything we built. Your designs, brandings, pitch deck, your app assets, everything, you can keep it. We also make it easy to get started. Our financing option is super flexible. All you need is 620 credit score and a proof of $38,000 as your annual income. There is no hard credit check, so applying won't affect your credit. And your first payment is not even due until 30 days after the enrollment. So, if you move quickly, and I mean within 24 hours, you will lock in a special offer just for you. You will get a 20% off, bringing your total down to $4,795 while keeping all the benefits and guarantee. If you are watching this and you are serious about building your app, don't wait. Opportunities like this don't stay open for long. Tap the link, apply now, and let's turn your idea into something real. We are not just an app development company. We are your launch and tech partner. So let's start your dream app a real business.